boy Young Rich 419 back with another video, man. 2-year review, man. 2-year review, man. 2-year review, man. 392 SRT Durango, man. 2 years just passed of owning this vehicle, man. And I'm about to give y'all my opinion on it, man. So y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe, man. Like, once again, we at 1,000+ subscribers, man. Appreciate it, man. For y'all showing some love, just hitting that button, man, because you know it's free. Don't even cost y'all nothing to do it. And I appreciate it, man. For real, man. But let's get to the video, man. Dodge Durango SRT 392 2-year review, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, man, this is probably right now, and I had a lot of cars, has been probably one of the best purchases that I fucking made of any vehicle ever, man. Ever, man. I'm talking about ever, man. You get the performance of a car in an SUV, man. Like, for real. If y'all can't tell, we in the Durango right now, you know what I'm saying? You need to show that, you know what I mean? Durango SRT, you know what I mean? But I'm telling y'all, like, you get the best. Let me fix this right here, right quick. You get the best of both worlds, man. Like, real talk. Performance of a fucking car, man. Like, for real. In an SUV. And that's not normal in today's world now, yeah. But I'm talking about from all the cars and vehicles they made and since they've been making automobiles. That's not normal, man. That's why I always kind of say it's like a one of a kind, because it's still not a norm. You know what I mean? Put a 500 horsepower motor in a truck and throw some big ass brakes on this mother. You know what I mean? And it's all-wheel drive, so you can chop this mother through the snow and whatever, man. So one thing I love about this though, man, is the SRT modes, man. I love this for real, the SRT modes, man. It's like basically the tune. It's basically the tune of the vehicle, man. You can tune it to however. Look at this car, man. Doing dumb shit, man. You can literally tune it to however you want to ride today, man. So we go down here, man. If y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all already know, seen plenty of vids, but you know what I'm saying, got the track, sport, auto, snow, tow. You know what I mean? You can basically tune your vehicle to how you want it to ride and drive. And yes, and whoever ain't never ever drove one of these vehicles before, man, yes, you do feel it. You can feel when the transmission changes. You change when it's an auto, and then when it goes to track and sport, you can definitely feel it, man. Trust me, man. You can feel it shift fast as hell. Definitely feel it, man. And then when it's an auto or economy mode, whatever you want to call it, you can definitely feel how the transmission basically is slowed down. It's basically engineered or programmed to slow down when it shifts, which actually is kind of a bad thing, because you kind of don't want your transmission to shift slow. It's basically almost like making the transmission do like a slip, honestly. And for anybody to tell, trust me, for anybody to tell you, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, you want your transmission to shift precise and fast. You know what I mean? That's how transmission works, man. So if he might tell you that you want your transmission to I'm talking about feeling it like hard. You don't want to feel it like hard, but you want it to be precise and quick and shift fast. That's how you want your transmission to shift. But you can tell it's engineered to be slowed down in auto mode. You know what I'm saying? So it don't feel it when you shifting through the gears, man. So but yeah, man, it's like, and just enjoying this vehicle, man. It's even like how I feel about cars. This particular though truck, whatever, the satisfaction of even just turning this truck on, it's worth all the money, man. Literally, worth all the money, man. The satisfaction of actually just turning this truck on is worth the money, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I recommend y'all get one. You know what I'm saying? 3-row seats. You know what I mean? In the Durango. Man, you can do whatever for real in this mug, man. And with no consequences, man. You need low cargo. You need to go get something. You need to go pick up something from Best Buy or something. Might throw a big TV in this mug, you know what I mean? So get the best of both worlds, man. So there's no compromising. So all you people with the families, you know what I'm saying? I was hitting the guys. People with the families, man. When the wife say you can't get a photo car, because you got Jimmy, Tommy, and Becky, you need a little bit more room, man. Go ahead and pick this up, man. Trust me, pick this vehicle up. You will not go wrong. And your wife or your girl or your baby mama, she gonna love it. Trust me. She probably can't keep her foot out this mug. For real. You won't be able to keep her foot out this mug. You gotta tame yourself though, for real, cause that's why I don't drive my SRT Magnum, man. Cause I do cruise a lot, you know what I mean? But you know, sometimes when you hear that noise, man, it's just hard. You just want to get up on it, you know what I mean? Smash on it, you know what I'm saying? You just want to hear it. So going electric is probably like, I don't want to go electric, man. I go electric for like an everyday car, but I don't want to go electric for no performance vehicle. I stick to my gas guzzler tax, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, get you one of these, man. You're not gonna be disappointed, man. Trust me. Regardless if it's a Ram truck, but they only come on TRXs, but the Hellcat. But like I said, even if you got the 5.7, man, even if you get the 5.7, man, you can make it sound like a 392, man, or a Hellcat, man. Ain't nothing but mufflers, man, and cutoffs, man. You'll get right, man. So like I said, best vehicle I ever owned in my entire life, and I plan to own shit better than this in the future. So that's why y'all gotta stay tuned, watch the vids. I got some nice plans in the future, man. As long as everything go to plan, it ain't gonna be real soon though. But like I said, like all this didn't come overnight, so we gotta grind to get it. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it is, though. So man, I'm about to be out. Y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe. I appreciate it, man. Young Rich 419. Peace.